Hello guys, my people, my brother, ndagusuje kandi nguhaye ikaze kuri Olivier Fernandez. Rizamiri kangushimire wowe wese mu gukanda subscribe kuri YouTube channel Olivier Fernandez kugira ubashe kubona sport update, kugira ubashe kuba wa mbere mu kumenya imyidagaduro. Rizami reka makuru yacu tatangire muri East Africa. Ni igitaramo cyaberaga muri Tanzania. Live performance. Ubwo uyu mugabo w'umunyatanzania yitwa Konde Boy Harmonize yari ari kuri stage. Ubundi abwira abakunzi be ko hari umuvandimwe w'umunyarwanda bagiye gukorana ibikorwa bikomeye muri iyi minsi. Ubundi arangije ahamagara Itahi Wacu Brice baririmba indirimbo yitwa Catherine. Mbere yuko dukomeza amakuru yacu, reka tubanze turebe iyi live performance yaberaga hari mu gihugu cya Tanzania, dore ko haririmbye n'abandi bahanzi benshi b'ibyamamare. Ariko inkuru y'umunsi yari kubona Itahi Wacu Brice aririmbana na Harmonize Konde Boy Catherine, indirimbo ifite views miliyoni 11. Ubaka kanya iyi ndirimbo ni imwe mu ndirimbo zikomeye cyane zagiye zitwara ibihembo bitangaje, dore ko yabaye ya mbere kuri Trace Music. Les amis, reka dukurikirane iyi live performance Bruce Melody ndetse na Harmonize muri show yabaga mu ijoro ryo kubunani ni tariki ya mbere y'ukwa mbere 2022. Ubundi tuze kugaruka dukomeza no makuru y'imikino. English Premier League bakomezaga muri weekend. Kipe ya Arsenal ya na Manchester City nimwe mu byo tugiye kugaruka. Reka tuanze dukurikira show Bruce Melody ndetse na Konde Boy muri live performance.
Kandi linifundisha vitu vingi sana. There's no point of doing it alone. Yani haina haja ya kujiona wewe ni mwamba unajua kila kitu. We are Tanzanians, we are East African. Let's put hands together, let's take our music to the next level. Tukiwa ndani hapa tunakuwa wakubwa sana, lakini tukitoka nje vitu vinakuwa tofauti. That's the truth. No one can lie. 2022 ningependa kuona mna msanii ambaye ananunua viwazi. Wote tunafanya kazi kwa bidii tuweze kusonga mbele, tunashirikiana. That old shit tunatupa 2021. So like, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring you my brother all the way from Rwanda. You guys ready for my brother from another mother, Bruce Melody? Hey, yeah. Don't even think about it. I've been there before. I wanna give you license, we take over the city. KGL Menyako, you coming for the money. Take it easy, don't complicate it. In fact, it's simple, mommy. Take time, don't rush it. Girl, you know me, the movie controlling. So whenever you like, we can stay up till the morning. Sweet lover, you're the only one. Pick up the phone and say hi, say, hey sweet lover, I wanna look at you, baby, get up, and sing with me. Whatever you say, she's my lover. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna look at you, baby, get up, Katerina. Whatever you say, she's my lover. I could be instructor, I could be your guide, I could be the leader, we go to Jacomorongo. I could be your vodka, I could be, yeah, yeah. Hey, are you there? Now, these things I see you've been doing, I like it, baby, how you move it. You don't know you can do it yourself. Think I win it, can be good in myself, mommy, yo. I think about showing you to mama. Baby, you the reason you can stay for longer. Put it on me how you did the moody weekend. Call me anytime I could come over. Take it easy, don't complicate it. If I just see for mommy, take time, don't rush it. Girl, you know me in the movie controlling. Everybody sing with me. So whenever we can stay up till the morning. Sweet lover, you're all you want. Pick up the phone, just say Hansi, it's real love, yeah. I wanna look at you, baby, keep on going. Yeah, yeah. See, whatever you say, she's my new lover. I deserve her. I wanna look at you, baby, keep on going. Katerina, yeah. Whatever you say, she's my new lover. I deserve her. I wanna sing with them. I wanna sing with you. I wanna sing with you. Tanzania, I wanna sing with you. I wanna look at you, baby, kidogo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whatever you say, she's my new lover. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna look at you, baby, kidogo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whatever you say, she's my new lover. I deserve her. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you very much, Konde Boy. I'm here for the love I got it from my brother Konde. I'm here to support him. Keep doing good music, bro. Yoo-hoo! Make some beautiful noise for my brother Blue Melody.
Rezami, reka amakuru y'imyidagaduro tuyakomereze muri ruhago, by'umwihariko muri English Premier League ku munsi w'ejo tariki ya mbere y'ukwa mbere sezo ya 2022 bari bagarutse. Ikipe ya Arsenal yakiraga Manchester City Emirates Stadium, umukino waje kurangira Manchester itsinze Arsenal ibitego 2-1. Leicester City na Norwich urasubikwa, Watford itsindwa na Tottenham igitego 1-0, West Ham itsinda Crystal Palace ibitego 3-2. Reka tugaruka ku mukino wahuzaga Arsenal na Manchester City. System ku ruhande rwa Arsenal 4-2-3-1, Aaron Ramsdale nimero 32, Takahiro Tomiyasu, Ben White nimero 4, Gabriel Magalhaes nimero 6, Kylian nimero 3, Thomas Partey nimero 5, Granit Xhaka nimero 34, Bukayo Saka nimero 7, Martin Odegaard nimero 8, Gabriel Martinelli nimero 35, Alexander Lacazette nimero 9 mu mugongo. Ku ruhande rwa Manchester City system 4-3-3, Ederson Moraes nimero 31, Nathan Ake nimero 3, Aymeric Laporte, Ruben Dias, Joe Cancelo nimero 27, Kevin De Bruyne, Rodri, Bernardo Silva, Raheem Sterling, Gabriel Jesus, Riyad Mahrez nimero 26. Abasimbura ba Mikel Arteta yari Bernard Leno, Nuno Tavares, Cedric Suarez, Robbie Holding, Nicolas Pepe, Aymeric Martial, Nieri. Dore ko Mikel Arteta atari yagaragaye kuri uyu mukino kubera ikibazo cya COVID-19, hari Alexis Sandila Konga mu basimbura, Mohamed Elneny, Emile Smith Rowe. Mu ruhande rwa Man City ya Pep Guardiola, Rizani Stephen, Luke Mbete ndetse na Kyle Walker, mu gihe Fernandinho nimero 25 yarabaye, Jack Grealish nimero 10 kuri bench yarahari, James Matt ndetse na Kaki Ilkay Gundogan nimero 8 ndetse na Cole Palmer nimero 80, umwana w'imyaka 18 y'amavuko. Mu gihe statistique mukino warangiye Arsenal ifite 20, position ya 29 kuri 71 ya Man City, amashoti 15 ya Man City kuri 7 Arsenal, shot on target 2-2, yellow card 2-2, red card 1 Arsenal ku busa bwa Man City, corner 5-5. Umukino waje gutangira ku munota wa 10 gusa, Martin Odegaard za gukorerwa penalty ariko VAR iza kuyanga. Bukayo Saka za gutsinda igitego cya Arsenal ku munota 31 kuri pass ya Kieran Tierney. Penalty ya mbere ya Man City ku ikosa ryakorewe Bernardo Silva rikozwe na Granit Xhaka za gutsindwa na Riyad Mahrez, Ilkay Gundogan za gusimburwa na Gabriel Jesus, Robbie Holding asimbura Martin Odegaard, Bukayo Saka za kubona ikarita y'umuhondo ku munota 33. Mu gihe umukino waje gusoza ikipe ya Man City itsinze ibitego 2 kuri igitego cya kabiri cya Man City cyaje gutsindwa na Rodri ku munota wa 93. Kuri uyu munsi imikino iraza gukomeza muri English Premier League. Ikipe ya Brentford iraza gukina na Aston Villa, ikipe ya Everton ize kwakira Brighton and Hove Albion, Leeds United yakire Burnley, Southampton na Newcastle. Umukino waje gusubikwa muri La Liga Santander, Getafe iraza kwakira Real Madrid ku isaha 9, Atletico Madrid yakire Rayo Vallecano, irikina na Granada Deportivo Alaves, na Real Sociedad, Real Betis na Celta Vigo. Mu gihe Mallorca iraza kwakira FC Barcelona ku isaha y'isa. ku munsi w'ejo bazakomeza muri English Premier League umukino ukomeye Manchester United Old Trafford ya Ralph Rangnick zakira Wolverhampton Wanderers. Manchester United iheruka gutsinda Burnley ibitego 3-1. Ikipe ya Villarreal muri Liga Santander ku munsi w'ejo izakira Valence, Osasuna yakire Atletico Club Bilbao, Cadiz yakire Sevilla isaha y'isayine n'iminota 15. Ubaka kanya kuri calendrier muri English Premier League. Ikipe ya Manchester City iri ku mwanya wa mbere n'amanota 53 mu mikino 21 izigamye ibitego 40. Ku mwanya wa kabiri hari Chelsea n'amanota 42 iribuze gukina kuri uyu munsi n'amanota 42 izigamye ibitego 29 mu mikino 20. Liverpool ku mwanya wa gatatu na 41, Arsenal ku mwanya wa kane na 35, West Ham ku mwanya wa gatanu n'amanota 38, Tottenham ku mwanya wa gatandatu n'amanota 33, Manchester United ku mwanya wa karindwi n'amanota 31, dore ko izamuka ku munsi w'ejo ikina n'ikipe ya Wolverhampton Wanderers. Mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda iyo shampiyona ikomeza ku munsi w'ejo agomba kuzakina AS Kigali na Rutsiro, Etincelle na Marine, Rayon Sports na Musanze, ariko iyi shampiyona yaje kuba ihagarikwa nihatagira igihinduka rwose imikino ibe ubundi no gutegereza tukareba igihe iyi mikino izabera. Resami wakoze gukurikirana amakuru kuri YouTube channel VF Fernandez, kanda subscribe kugira ngo ubashe kubona sport update ndetse ukomeze gukurikirana imyidagaduro muri rusange. Icyo tugusaba, kanda subscribe, mugire umwaka mushya muhire uzababere uw'amata n'ubuki.